Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy crafts. First, take a paper cup like this. Now take the paper cuttings and put it like this. So here we are making a Santa Claus. Now take a paper, make a cone and make its hat. Put some cottons. Now make its hands using red color paper like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the house. So first, we will take a wooden cardboard sheet and make the roof of the house. Make a moon. Now spread the clay to make the snow over the house. Put some dry sticks like this. Draw the doors and windows of the house. Now make some path to the house. Now make a Santa Claus using the papers like this. Put the hat and it's ready. Next, we'll make a Santa Claus. First, take the white sheet and fold it from the between. Now, make one more as such and paste them together like this. Now, take another piece and make it stand. Make its face and hat like this. Stick its eyes, nose using the paper. Now, we will make its buttons and hands. Now, we will make a muffler and it's ready. Next, we will make a Christmas tree. Take a green paper like this and fold it from the between and paste few more as together shown in the video. Make its branches. Now decorate it as shown in the video and your Christmas tree is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a rainbow theme cap. First, take a white sheet like this. Now apply the glue over it and then sprinkle some paper pieces like this on it. Now take a tissue paper, fold it like this as shown in the video and paste them as we are doing. Paste few more as such, make the wrap over it. Make its tail like this and your hat is ready. Next, we will make a rainbow themed Christmas tree. First, take a green color paper, make a cone out of it like this. Cut it out. Now take another sheet of green like this and then fold it. Make the frills on it. Now fold them and paste it on the green sheet as shown in the video. Make few more as such using different colors. Now paste them one by one on the sheet as shown in the video. Decorate it if you want and your Christmas tree is ready. Thanks for watching our video.